These street interviews are really funny and they are generating a lot of money for these channels.
Now you can make videos just like these with one click in n8n.
Not only it will make you money,
And it also saves you hours of time.
and in today's video we will show you exactly
How we generated this entire video in just a couple of minutes.
If you are new here, my name is Prashant. I spent over 15 years working in film and animation industry for studios like DreamWorks and MPC.
And now we've started NoCodeDad, a community where my dad teaches me how to use AI and automation to make real income and build some cool projects.
You can even head to our school community right now and download the setup right away.
The link's in the description below.
Alright guys, let's get started. So this is the setup I am talking about. It's called the funny interview setup. It consists of 4 steps. Step 1, generate script. Step 2, create videos. Step 3, combine videos. And step 4, add captions. So let's go to step 1, generate scripts.
Yes.
So step 1 is schedule trigger. Let's click and see what's inside. So here what we are saying, how often we want to run this setup. Alright, let's execute this step.
Yes.
Let's go to the next node. The next node is called get rows in sheet. Basically we are reading the Google Sheets here. So let's go to the Google Sheets now.
Alright.
This is the Google Sheet I'm talking about. So let's create a new row here.
Yes.
Let's call it video 7 and we will set the status to create. Let's make 3 scenes. So the next part is called Sora character. I have to explain you in detail how we are getting this character name. So for doing that, we have to go to the website sora.chatgpt.com. So there is a feature inside Sora 2 which is called characters. You can make characters inside your Sora 2 account. So let's make a character for this video. Tell me what you want to make.
A grizzly bear.
To make a grizzly bear, what we have to do is this. So first, let's define a small prompt to make a grizzly bear here. Alright, grizzly bear taking an interview. And then I will send this prompt to Sora 2. So we got the video done by that prompt. Alright, so let's create the characters. Click on this 3 dots and choose the option create character. You will see this screen. Select a small block of video and then click next. Define a username for your character here. So I defined a name for my character here. Click continue. Now it will ask me for a character description. Usually the default is also good. Then you have to click continue. You have to make sure available to everyone and then click save. And this is your character's name. Copy it and at the rate paste the name. So I copied this prompt here which says interview a person in and around New York City. Make the bear say a funny joke about something common in New York life at aspect ratio. Let's keep it 16:9. Now let's go back to n8n. We are in step 2 get rows in sheet. So double click inside and see what's happening here. We are adding Google Sheet credentials and we are reading our sheet which is funny interview setup. We are also saying let's bring a row which has the status create. So once we run this node, we have our character talking bear and the prompt inside our Google Sheet. Alright,
Yeah.
now let's go to the next node.
Next node is called AI agent.
Yes, let's double click and go inside and see what we are doing here. So first we are defining a prompt, make video prompt for this many scenes. Alright, and also we are defining a system message here. Alright, in the system message we are creating jokes here. Let's run this node. So now what happened is the AI agent has created some jokes. Let's go to the next node.
Next node is called split out.
So what AI agent has done is given us 3 prompts in one row. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna split them out into 3 separate rows. Let's run this node. Alright, so now what happened is we got each scene in a new row. Next node is append row in Google Sheet. Let's double click inside and see what we are doing here. Again, we are defining our credentials. We are passing the name of our Google Sheet. And then what we are saying is let's add a prompt inside the sheet called scenes. So let's execute this node. What happened now is all our scripts is now inside Google Sheet. Let's go to the next node. So now we just want to run the next step only one time. So we added a node called limit. Alright, so let's click on this. Done. Let's go to
Step 2, create videos. Now it's getting exciting.
first node is we are going to read our Google Sheet again with the information of video prompts. So we are again passing our Google Sheet credentials here and we are reading the scenes sheet now. Let's run this node. This will bring all the 3 scenes into our n8n setup. So I'm gonna explain how the next couple of nodes are working. We have to run all of them together to understand the setup better. So what we are doing is we are creating Sora 2 videos using HTTPS request here and then we are waiting for some time so that the kie.ai will make those videos and then we are getting the video back into our n8n setup. But because we don't know how long Sora 2 will take to make the videos, we added the node called switch. It will define if our videos are done or not done or failed. So I added this extra node structure which makes sure that even if one of the videos errored out, our entire setup is is not wasted because we are making some funny scenes and those scenes are individual video clips. Alright, so even if one fails, it won't affect our set. I will quickly go through each node and explain you what each node is doing. So the first one is called Sora 2 video. Alright, what we are doing here is we are using kie.ai to make Sora 2 videos. Alright, what exactly is kie.ai?
Is an API aggregator. You can get lots of models here like Sora too.
So what kie.ai do is it will give you access to all these latest models and you don't have to take any subscription. Just buy some credit starting from $5 and you have access to these top and video models. And what we are doing here is we are passing a JSON prompt which says I want to make my video using Sora 2 and I want to pass this video prompt which is over here to make a video. So let's run this node. So the wait node is simple node which takes some time before going to the next node. Next is get Sora 2 video. What we are doing here is we are just using a get method in HTTPS request node and just passing the task ID to kie.ai to get the video which we created. And then there's a switch node which makes sure that if there is an error, it goes to this direction. If there is a success, it goes to this direction. Else, if the video is not finished, it will go in the loop again. And here in the Google Sheet node, we are updating our sheet with the video URL if it is a success, and we are adding it to the sheet if the video failed by saying change the status to error. Let's run the loop and play a game here. Let's run this node. All right, tell me how long it's gonna take.
I think it's going to take some time. How about 17?
I'm guessing 12. So we both failed. It's just taken us
11.
cycle. So this is some of our videos. Let's go to step 3.
Find videos.
So the first step is get rows in sheet. So what we read from this sheet is our video ID which we are making. The next one is going to read our scenes. So I'm reading the sheet again which gonna read the scenes. So let's run these two nodes together. Next thing is read fields node. What we are doing here is we are just saying, hey, from this sheet give me the URL information of each video. Alright, so let's execute this node. This will bring all the video URL here in the n8n. Alright, so next node is called
aggregate.
Let's double click inside and understand what is happening here. So if you notice, we have all the 3 URLs in a separate rows. When we click on execute, we will get all the URL in just one row. So the next node is called combine videos.
Ooh.
Double click inside. This node is actually a HTTPS request node.
Yes.
We are using a post method and we are going to use FFmpeg API from Fal AI.
Fal AI is an API aggregator and it has FFmpeg API.
We need FFmpeg API to combine these videos, so that's why we are using Fal AI. First time what you have to do is you have to define your Fal AI credentials. Defining credential is pretty easy. You have to just click here and create new credentials. Also what we are doing here is we are passing this JSON file which adds all the URL into this command. So let's run this node. Now the request is sent to Fal AI. I again added a loop here which has a wait node and get Fal AI video. Double click inside this and see what I'm doing here. This node is again a HTTPS request node. We are using a get method. We are giving Fal AI the request ID and then we are adding this information back to our Google Sheet. So let's run all these 3 nodes together.
Yes.
So now we got our video in our Google Sheet. So our video is now available here. The next step, we're gonna add captions to the videos.
Yes, I'm so excited. I just want to see it right now.
Let's go to the next step. Next step is step 4, add captions. First step, what we are doing is we are reading the sheet back. Double click on this node and see we are reading the final video back from our sheet. Next step is generate captions. This node is again HTTPS request node and we are using the post method and we are using Fal AI auto subtitle API. This API can give you captions. We have to pass here is our credential for Fal AI and this JSON prompt. This JSON prompt reads our final video and then pass it to Fal AI, and then finally we are getting that video back from Fal AI using the get method here. Again we are doing the same thing. We are using HTTPS request node and we are using the get method and passing the request ID to tell Fal AI that, hey Fal AI, this is my request ID, please give my video back to me. Alright, so let's run all this node together. Alright, and let's play the game. How long it's gonna take? Alright, 2. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we both failed. It's taking more than 2 now.
It might be 3.
Let's see, might be 4 also. I won, yes. Your final video is available here.
So what do you think is harder in New York, finding true love or finding a working subway escalator?
Honestly, I have better odds with true love than right?
In New York, a 5-minute walk on the map actually means a 20-minute hike with 3 near-death street crossings?
Oh yeah, at least one cab almost running you over.
Is it really a New York apartment if your neighbor's argument becomes your evening podcast?
Facts. I know more about their relationship than my own.
Alright guys, so this is the video which we made and it's pretty successful, right?
It's awesome. The jokes are actually funny.
So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.
So please hit the subscribe and like button and share if you have any friends who might be interested.
And if you want the file, please comment on the video, we will share the file with you.